Hello everyone. Um, by the way, happy Eid Mubarak, especially to my beloved lecturer, Miss Abida, and my fellow friend. I'm here standing to tell you that you are not satisfied. Not what it you're helpless. You don't have and your existence does not mean anything. You cannot see the light when you want to get out of bed in the morning. Every influence in spreading and how each of your life I have made a sadness, fear and will kill many people every year, and I do not choose based on your age, gender, religion and so on who I am. I'm talking here, of course, about depression and anxiety. Depression is one of the most common mental disorder around the world. According from one scholar from Royal Institute in London at 2016, on said for those dealing with depression and anxiety, the message of the lecturer is that black holes in as black as they are pain. They are not the eternal prison. They were unstruck. So if you feel you are in a black hole, don't give up. There's a way out. For the record, I did additional research for this speech about the seriousness of depression and anxiety. I'm going to talk about the reason why depression and anxiety should be taken seriously among us. Those in my speech, I would like to highlight about the reason why depression and anxiety should be taken seriously, which is term of suicide can be the end of result mental illness, life pressure function and fun less life pressure and function poorly in daily activities. Firstly, suicide, physical problems, and so on can be the end of result because of depression and anxiety. Today, many people will experience problems and disorder in life with depression and anxiety, and they have to repair their self esteem to return to normal life like obtained. According 2017 report from World Health Organization, more than 300 million people of all age suffer from depression and anxiety. Depression and anxiety is the leading cause of disability worldwide and the major contributor to overall global burden of disease. In Malaysia today, improvement to the problem of depression and anxiety are increasing from day to day. Based on Nation Mental Health Studies 2017, it has proven that at least one of 10 young children or 10% of the 5.5 million youth in the country have crossed and proud to do outrageous action such as wanting to suicide and so on. In other research at Malaysia, the prevalence of mental health problems among adult increased from 10.7% in 1996 to 11.2% in 2006, to 29.2% in 2015. They are also show one out of five young people experiencing depression, while one of 10 teenagers face a problem of incontinence. As it was, depression and anxiety will cause a problem of poor problems such as suicide and so on. And it is a severe global mental health problem and will affect Malaysian in 2020. In addition, in India, in April, at least 20 teenagers are killing themselves only because they fail in the zoology exam. According to Khalish Time, the episode Suicide Action in Indian accurate was after the examination board announced that the results say the newly a million students in India fail in the examination. To avoid the increase in the number of suicides among students in India, the mandatory parties have announced the result of the examination that accurate in the error. This happened to prove that the problem of depression and anxiety cannot be taken of all parties, including the Indian government. Secondly, mental illness can be triggered by depression and anxiety. Depression and anxiety is negatively affect a person mental, internally and externally. People with depression and anxiety will usually show some symptoms like they tend to lock themselves, rather to focus, anxious, panic attack and so on. A person who suffer from depression problem will strive to tell the problem to others to reduce to the burden burden of problem faced by them through to sharing to others. But some people who do not suffer from this problem will not understand and will ignore them and make the insecurities increase. Because of this, they will perform negative action and behavior in themselves. Because of this, they will perform negative action and behavior in themselves. Those with this problem will feel that it is not behind by others to think one world does not love them because they think that their life are not purpose and not valuable. Indirectly, they come out of mental illness that adversely affect the person. One of the example of mental illness is personality disorder. Based on the Medical Journal of Australia 2030, major depressive disorder MDD commonly co-occurs with borderline personality disorder (BPD). BPD is a very serious mental illness founded by emotion and impulse, an unstable feeling of self, and difficulties in establishing interpersonal relationships. This will cause suicide and self-harming behavior. Lastly, depression and anxiety make people function poorly in daily activities. Depression and anxiety actually will cause a loss of interest to daily tasks, and this depression and anxiety will eliminate the pressure of being carried out in every activity and behavior that is done. Overthinking about the problem can make them tend to do nothing, and they so obsessed with the problem until they decide not to mingle with people, because those who suffer from this problem will think that other people will say about him in excess. Uh, Based on one scholar in 2016 about theory of about 10 depression and anxiety topic. Based on one scholar in 2016, about 10 depression and anxiety topic, they are change in behavior when someone in depression and anxiety, such as tiredness and loss of energy and insomnia or sleeping too much. According from one scholar from Smith 2019, depression and anxiety affect neurotransmitters with alertness and the reward system and negatively affect sleep. Whether difficultly failing asleep, trouble staying asleep, waking up too early, or just not sleeping as deeply. Said by Sari Chat, a clinical psychologist based in Massachusetts. Okay. Therefore, if someone I swarm of constantly for unknown reason, they likely are experiencing serious difficulties completely engaging their life. For the conclusion, depression and anxiety is not something that we need to take it slightly. It is a serious mental disorder that we need to aware of it. People with depression and anxiety tend to be silenced because they afraid what might people say about them. We ask the effect men who does not suffer this problem do not just evaluate those who have this problem without us exposure and understand these problems. The worst part of having a mental illness is people expect you that behave as if you done. That's all from me. Thank you for listening me.